Hello, my people. Ghana, Northern Region, Northeast Region, Mampurugo. I am the person of Issoufou Prince Mamadou, host of the Breakdown Show. Zunaya yela down to the Velia, down to the Gavni, Kavayabia, Yatunza, Yamangata Asada. One doesn't to Aseto Akanjiri Biani. Kaya Yunazin on the Breakdown Show, ya. Netaza interview segment in Tia, Keg by Kawum Kati Afa Nakara. And then Azunaya, edition my Ayan Kalabila. Imami normally, the artist. Kwanza mtana kati down tower. Bazuna ngoria. Nkong malga camera ma bila, malga production ma bila. Kata imami entertainment. Tati ya entertainment ya. It consists with a lot of things. And this warbunya bambeni dance. Nya ya to ama ya. So there are a lot of things ya. Kaka consistory. Make a consistory entertainment. So zuna ya. Tezon tela ball ni, football ni. Aha. And to some uncle Thomas Gwana, Prince was went to a football, no zona. You know what I mean? Ka football fan. Trust me, Toko ya entertainment, musicians, dancers, Benekatan Daha. Amazona one ya, hey, football like your Kaziowa, coach in your Kaziowa. So before Kaya start an interview, my BM program, I would like to acknowledge my sponsors. Never say Bandi looking at BDTV near, and then Tom comes out. Katuko benang mastia ma kakachanama to my Saliam Royal Enterprise and then Saliam Royal Enterprise then ya na voice babangko sa beverages. So then on Ebola 10 over 10 ya Ebola nana Ebola stop energy drink ya energy drink comes at Ebola. The mina na Ebola soft drink ya and yet la planet the ma don't see more the ma basically comes a big soft drink ya. Ichang bene banyela bayankusa F1T. Apart from Saliam Royal Enterprise, it's a machine enterprise. And the machine enterprise, then you have the electrical appliances and then building materials. Then the Ebola fan, Ebola bolabedema, Ebola wire, lamp holder, switches, the Guaya Asila, some machine enterprise. The mina na Ebola building materials, Bansele Damba Cementi, Damba Quarter rods, iron rods. Painted the mapasi, each young Benya, but of course the Afua. So when the most man, the machine enterprise, Benny, Banyaba Benadi, go north East Regional Capital, Ecopai, Nahas Junction, Anzani, Kabwahi, several better course, the Koma to the Moto Kingdom, Tachalaba, the next shop, machine enterprise, the Yaban Benny. Ecopa Benani and Ebola manager P2. Kaya na Prince to me na may Prince yan ichaw na o yala wa iti discount kada mayapam so pangi mangya kichang bene patronize ba kacha ba na kutablo sung the BDTV ayi katam wanda ma. And then also namburi yan happy Eid Mubarak in the Muslim brothers maza even though anolo shikrima da ba chanapam. But I'm young Galamia, you are me economy, madam Yapam, and then can you president Chanan City? Aha, so happy Eid Mubarak to all followers of BDTV. Yabaku Guarama, you're Gani Prince now Kubeni, BDTV now Kubeni. I appreciate you guys so much. So New Year Katia Janamaya, Dandara Tower. So let's take a flash of a break, Kalamna, Kanshanova, Kazan guest the match and ya. Got to us about Northeast Salagala. Northeast Salagala. Stay tuned. Let's take a flash of a break, Kalamna. Welcome back. Manda Puyelia. So now I'll be interacting with Nashiriga Salagala Committee members, ma. And then in your number, so man one bedu one katabuno showboy ariastic. Even though mamio, but say we better outside the Maya, can I sing you? Bake up home the Euro Maya, cover me face, ma. So non zonta na boss man, ma, so I don't know maraba. Emi banakunya de katadolema. It's been yo, Kaso yan ay, banakunya no is entertainment industry, wa katadola. Even though seven meaning iko bela entertainment man, and yet la kama ho yuma show the ma, ka itana zo Zambia in a football yari. It's something new to us. One thing,
oh yeah, since then I have been a football fan. Just that this particular tournament is just we are just starting. This is our second edition, so I've been into football. I've been a football fan since day one. Football fan.
Okay.
Football is one part of me. Aside entertainment.
Don't want to feed the magba.
Yeah, man.
To feed the ma.
If someone catch a ball, Zikibe kind of pound guy that
I made a ball.
Oh, Kabila.
Position Kari.
Simply okay, listen, you are my mira. Man, you see Massacre.
Position Kari.
when you're on your right back,
Oh, okay.
This is enough issue, you know, sir.
Hey,
Mako conduct right back. Because I'm South Manchester long one.
so you go to all man and go Vino so go.
No, they are very bad. We get smiles are not piece right wing and calling in the face. They know me well.
That easy. So see now body introducing mangan to viewers. Makacha, come on put your ma oh see first time welcome you. So I'd like you to briefly introduce yourself to the people.
Alright, so man Yurinya Abubakar Idris.
Okay.
It is a Kasoka Zamina showboy Ayasti. Nirupan Kumuanaka Mbe Entertainment ni
Okay.
But I am a nurse by profession. Kalanya private school teacher.
Okay.
I'm a show organizer, I'm an event organizer, and also an event MC. These are some basics professions I roll on daily.
That easy.
I am somebody make me up say la Karagwa say keep on say can bekani.
Okay.
It has football for instance. If you pack a pony position and kana kamanazina. Football bunaza, I coaching Coco Canavan. Coaching Coco Canavan. Ball in the goal and bally. Hale referee course manachan.
I thought Trasako the man that coach about one.
No, Tramanda in so Sonda Ben Kuchera.
Oh, okay.
So Hale football aspect of everything. I've done almost everything.
Okay.
Coaching Coco Canavan, Namunda, Nantia Nunkaza, Tumai Gaman, so Navanyang Nakabat, Mania Nakan.
Okay.
Because I love football so much and the Sapam Bear football man.
Okay. Okay.
So
that is clear. So I said that Takati Patanangwaya na Shidga Salagala. Second edition was season 2. So Unko Bole it's a brief breakdown of first season. Because a lot of people will be asking, it is Salagala but we didn't even know what happened. So Namburi it's a recap of what happened in the first edition.
Exactly. So this National Salagala committee, we are made up of 5 people.
5 people.
And these 5 people, we are just the people on the ice. So think Kanirunyara Katanura Katabeka Tony.
Okay.
But the Maniru Pam Kabaziti Yanga, maybe Asanza Nirba, Banazian. They are doing most of the things behind us. They are doing supporting it and making it happen.
Okay.
So the 5 of us came up with the idea. So these 5 people are Mr. Ibn Majid, 1 year to chairman.
Okay.
Then we have our vice chairman, Rashid Sandawi. Kajan the financial secretary, need the general secretary, Mr. Ibrahim Ganius, Kasoga Ganu Kroch.
Okay.
Kajan Mama was your Kamanya public relations now organizing Maza.
PRO.
Mambekani.
Okay.
Kajan Mr. Abraham Maruan, Kasoga Zanu Mario.
Okay.
One better media, not graphics, anything media graphics. He's
in one of these areas you have like
Maza.
Okay.
The Silicon Za. So to Toma Pambe, Tiku Pilebo, me when you could not have at tonight because everything is equal updated. Yeah, so these 5 of us came up with the idea, then we stood up that let's make a little one interesting teacher ka Tengoma Bibela Kanya Assemble community engagement.
Yeah.
So that the Salama Wanchaka, Samama, Baragongo Kakunama, Makabe and Chanya Asila. Now Mundana to you cook at Jirmada, Dr. Mahmoud Bangadan at Asutef.
Sure.
So now to so now Panama Pasuya.
I mean,
what I used to visual day forever and ever will forever be proud having him that time.
Can you
as a vice president? Yes, that is one big achievement. Me as I see today will forever be proud having that man for standing and just that traveling young Yatambu and Tisha president Mutins your Palo Shadalan Piana Shadalan. But
the boy asked to Dave.
The stadium Catare Penaburu. So then I go like Catizilla idea man. So we rose up and met Naya Kana empowered. And that time we were very lucky. Mr. Ibn Majid, one of the Tefman manager. So he took the idea and stood up, Katicha Pulidity.
Okay.
And he did everything very well. So first edition Marachana, like everything came very fast. Travel delay is that.
Yeah, because Mandapo when you publicity, but I took a
exactly. So you got your Bacania, Capuna Pacota, Punga Fanas. So then you see ma. That and Catalonia teams Pam. So last year we had 12 teams. 12 teams. And that was even like impromptu. Karachana team from that team that was good. So Tanya 12 teams. So 12 teams are group into 3. Katon group into 1-1 qualify. Ka second best place team man passing. So I think 4 last teams Maraya Atavia Stars, Boys Must Shop, Naligu NTC, Nakuluguru United.
Okay.
So these 4 teams made it to the semi-finals. Kakuluguduru has qualified in the finals. Kana has that Kuluguduru 4-0. That is 4-0. Yes, that is one of the most attended football competition, and I will not even stop here to say that not just a football competition, but the most crowded event ever to ever happen in the North East. I can beat my chest and say that a crowd doesn't last long a little while. Maybe football, but I can boldly say Mandwana that was the day Kenya crowd. When you see the scenes, the Rambala Santiago Bernabeu.
Hey,
I tell you. Oh,
the Tanzania am there for all
the building is immediately catch a sukuk na has bismara chana. And now that season Banyanga Kabala Zusumu. So Bandayanga in the first edition ma. Piro Rono Catalan Kalasia ma.
Okay.
So then we decided to come back with the second edition. So I think second edition ma is underway.
Okay.
And on the 4th of April, the kickoff will start.
Okay. So date Matipe break it down to the second edition.
Exactly.
When exactly second edition ma is starting?
Second edition my opinion on the 4th of April. 4th of April. That's Friday. Friday Chaka Kuchanga.
Okay.
And our winners from last year and a new team are going to be starting the tournament because the winners man under 11 have started competition man.
Okay.
So now has not done that. I think we have Ion one to now come at 18 teams.
18 teams.
Carrying 18 teams, what I said the dates.
Okay.
And dates me part of the teams. After that, 20 teams. Per our records, Mr. Gani wanted to say. Till teams after 18 teams, at 36 teams.
So that means registration point ended.
There are closer registration.
When?
That was on the 20th of March.
So in a Buddha, like in a sweep and your interview, Makaburo joining, when Anton joining.
It took a young occupant, so we'll go to next year.
Okay.
Next year, Tito Kuju and one that was on can next year to go like the limited teams, man. Can you don't close at 18 teams? So after 18 months, the second to die to that course is unlucky. No one could last teams, man. You are 36 teams, Katrema in total.
Okay.
So Mubore, Tef man, new activities permanent penny. To go to Diaka and to Zion to Tumba.
Sure.
Mr. Majin is a teacher. Mr. Ganu is a teacher. Marwan is a nurse. I'm a nurse. I'm a teacher. Mr. Rashid is a businessman. We have a lot of engagement, but we have dedicated our time. This is a non-profitable job we are doing.
Okay.
So each and why after Inya win and where Jabu say that babe and the competition man is more lucrative. Like the permanent teams are. Karubu said that like easy team like KC and Yanganzi. You have something to show. Division 2 by me, North East Regional. Now United is winning. Like the Punduana Kapapudilla, everything, but like the Bakasi never was that Banamiti Division 2. Okay. Like mentioned Tamale several times. And we know Bandamira Karia Hale be doing on your ball, Papa Begusia, in your ball and Pa Azara, or Milan and Lego United. But what the team has nothing to show that to me, Tamil Division 2. Sure. Excuse me to say, even the players. But legends Kuba Town, Kinyawaka Bandan, Katadua and I covered near ball. But like, we don't see anything in them to show that. But I mean, sure. So this your each and Kuluguri United. Most about 25 players in Banda register last year. Need me a ball about Kinamian, the person will show you a medal. Okay. Go to Anamari. We'll see, but they have a bronze medal because Rajila second. Okay. He'll show you a medal to prove that I've never played in this. I was in this competition and I was given a medal because I was the first one. I was mad. Yeah, that team was in the West. So let's take it one after the other. So tell me why he had that team Sababan register Yoma, Babalan register 18. So Nuzasa teams, you are sure. Katinya. So that's any but them I don't know different communities. Holy Kangwai. To tournament, man. We are in one region. 4 constituencies in the region are participating in the tournament. Okay. In one stadium, including 18 teams. These 18 teams are presenting 450 players. The 450 players will be coached by 36 coaches. And they are all winning one trophy. Easy. So it's in addition to easy. So regional the masses constituencies and 4 are representing. The 4 are Yuyo constituency, West Mampusi, East Mampusi, and Bunkurugu, Nakwanjuru constituency. Okay. So I think we are to Lusa Yaba Kuborni, Cherponi. That constituency where you are. I think maybe the distance. Yeah, distance. Distance, my good. So each time to go 18 teams, we have Boys must shop kabayina leguna.
Okay.
Kama Atabia Stars kabayina leguna. Ma 3GFC kabayina Gamba. Ma Super Strikers kabayina Kulugujuru na leguna.
Okay.
Ma North East Police Team. North East
Police the
man. North East Policeman.
Okay.
No our team, but Bebeni. So they will say that security will rest assured. So you cannot miss the hip
on a short bank.
Exactly. And we have PFC Stars kabayina na legua.
Okay.
Kama Unity Stars na legua kabayina. Kama Real Gambaga United kabayina Gambaga. Kama na legua NTC, I think the previous winners mala. Kula Tenes Sukura. Kama Wake FC immigration team mala.
Okay.
They are combined with an immigration team and some staff from BFC. Banya Wake FC oma.
Okay.
Kajas and Naswani Young Stars. All the way from Naswani.
Okay.
Kajas and Tunguri United. All the way from Tunguri. Westman Prison La. Kajas and Wounded Lions from Napanduri.
Okay.
Yes. Kajas and Dundalli United from Dundalli. Kajas and Tarala FC from Nalegu here. Taranfongu Lati.
No matter for Monkula.
Okay. Taranfongu Kuma. Kajas and Zojilgu Humble Stars from Zojilgu. Kajas and Hungry Lions from Sako. Kajas and Hati FC Nalegu and Lamuadura.
Okay.
Kawababeli. I think the 18 teams man one. So the 18 teams man, the Simino Trabola Bazamiti Kawachana Kato group into 6 groups. So 6 groups are group za team yini ya qualify in quarter finals. Katipa changwa table man and team kanangwa na second place. And Zamapa, so 8 teams are going to make it to the quarter finals. So it to go maybe so no tonzia Karaburuban groups man when you see. So group A Nalelu NTC Mbebe Netandani na Hungry Lions. Yes, na Hungry Lions from Sako. Banambe group A. Ka group B Muma Boys must shop. Na Swale Stars ni Zojulgu United.
Okay.
Bagwambe group B. Ijanza group C. Super Strikers. Atabia Stars. Ntunguri United. Kawabe group C. Ijanza group D. Hungry Lions. BFC Stars na Hati FC.
Okay.
Kawabe group D. Ijanza group E. Twazi FC. Tarana FC ni Real Gambaga United. Kawabe group E. Ijanza group F. Wake FC. Unity Stars and North East Police Team. Bagwala asala group man.
That easy.
So the bell and
then group A man when you go be eat lands or the more you go.
Banola.
NTC them called Nalas or the more Basaba.
Oh, the Dalata Jaro. Hungry Lions. If ever you are hungry lions, they are hungry. So big banners.
Barabe first good man.
Barabelli.
Okay.
First edition. First of Barabelli. And you know what? They are a special talent. By exit of group stages, but a player from their team won the Golden Boot.
Oh, okay.
So you should see how special they are. Banda 3 matches. Because 3 matches now win the Golden Boot. Kalas players won like 5 matches. Come here win the Golden Boot.
Okay.
Come there the trophy man. So you should realize the Hungry Lions but talent man.
But talent man.
Cylinder stop over.
Now when you Kubazali, I see the way
so then stop over man.
Okay.
So how each one 18 teams only. 4 of Bandaben last year man. Nkaliyo. They are not able to make it. And most of them tendered registration in at the time we close registration.
Okay.
So trial run to plan to Jaswa. So any will next year.
Okay.
Then because
it's clear. In a single call Bella Batankaya, Kawula Katanga Dunkani, Kabama North East. Hold on, okay.
That champion position, Karakuya, Katabazamba, Pasi, Katabanama, Kayaba Yamanitumbu, Trabaganu, Bulasi Coqua, and Benago Nago Pijama. So that gas no send a fly man to Bakaya several times. Yapang Yamanula and register Kabachana, but I think they wasted time. Deadline at the pie. And they were come by then we ready and said, and we the last teams now Katambandi no. 1 by last na Kanale Yasa.
Okay. 2,
we want to make it fun and we want them to find value from what they are doing. To bola if you see the talent, you recognize the talent man. In ball, saving up and Kayan ball and Pangi Mang gentle.
Yeah. So Tagati Patana ya, it's a number of prizes man.
Yes.
Because the prizes ma say ka ipa Mang breaker asuna Katabangi first winners first runner up the second runner up so that it will be clear to everybody.
So each to guy home and up Mampayalma. Turning out to tournament to say to that. In Bekani Halikatana Kate Katalan Kakani career is that trophy man. You have something to boast of. And share the trophy man. At least.
Man say tonko jo se ba tonko duana ka se da mi bo up to now. Each of you na halle GC be ba. Ba to la wati yele na bara tu black be bon sisi no kukani.
Nothing. So you can't go winners ma banji first man. Pedia la giant trophy. A replica of the Champions League trophy.
So that producer don't flash the trophy back
all the way from Spain.
Spain.
All the way from Spain. Whoever has ever won the Champions League.
Okay.
Inya to remember Europe. So we are finding a way to contact a designer so maybe we don't skill with our Pakazu so that you also feel it like Hoban skill other you are Pakazu same. We are trying to do that for the winners.
Okay.
And I think if possible will achieve that. Okay. We have contacted some people to see if they can do that. And aside that, you go home with a set of 18 JC.
18
pair of JC, my set, 18. Bandia JC sets. So you go to relationship, you have 500 CDs. JC 1,800. Get your 500 CDs, can I JC, their trophy.
Mambana na bosi se dem kupa, so the kunya be pakuta ya mi.
Pakuta ya kati ya.
Okay.
Babula you say bakuta ya halakati ya lala. Kaza anala ma
Kaza anala.
Bandia Champions League replica ball all the way from Spain.
That is low.
Yes.
Ball magni
Champions League ball. Tabazana beno. Kaja gold medal. What is a gold medal?
Then umbana tell ball man you when
what Chandra put submit to my registration.
Come on.
If you have a place never part
the former players ma papaya.
Tarana FC ma papaya ito paba even you want to so bantons and
next year BDTV katabagina
because I'm praise Babangida
ko top DJ in New York DJ be ba won ko se mo be ko za
re second position man Bandia pair of boots. Bamba this is football when you season on 3 Bandia can set Kadia gold bronze medal.
Okay.
Bandia bronze medal. Kadia ball, Champions League ball. Obanandia kana. Last year we have absolutely third position, but we have decided that since Ibonyang not third man, you should go home with something.
At least.
So Babanandia is Champions League replica ball. Basically Kulun dead kapakali, Banan shirts there are 2 categories. So next year you will come back strong.
At least Bamakaran trading.
Good. So Tumbras and Benka we are appreciating every talent in the field of play. Best player, top scorer, and best goalkeeper.
Yeah, to Bazala Pina.
Bazala Pini. Yeah, listen and check producer bar. You will feel it. You are giving value to what they are paying. So assuming in a way you can make ball 300 cities. So you look at what they have paid and what they are going home with. You realize that we have come to make it that Zanoni Panya Asini Chensini, Kisomai.
Do Yakobo Besidoya. Mambaka and recognition Makama.
Recognition.
God, don't go to have an uncle cooking Zaga, for Catana. Exactly. Lakama.
Exactly.
Easy.
So to my golden boots, Homer and Goldman, they are made of gold as a ben. To my golden boots, top scorer, man. My golden football stand. It is not the best player, man. Mark Golden Glove. It is not the best goalkeeper, man. These are things Kabezi Paba Yana Batosiri, Zantom, Kasoto Dunamos, Daka Bonga, or Dada Yila Bolo. But like I was saying, the legends are one. They have not so this tournament is to appreciate every talent. The power is that you Katia Zankanti. So Kaza Nil Kabenya. Last year, guys, Rabena Asima Kabulu wisdom. I think one interviewers are Carabella Yamani. Mambo usually you pilot. And so what I did, man, can you ball, man? Because what we have best player tournament.
Monko Bosilella.
So the Latoku ball, but the Nakubo hours, man, Katuku and best player with the Park Mazaran to also it deserves it. So meaning invest equally as in a bamboo footballer. So one Araha Kawarako Zambi, he did very well. So these are things, the talents we are going to appreciate.
Okay.
So to aim shouting you to know one. We hear a lot of stories about people saying that the committee the money they are paying, the money is huge up and down. It is always a statement from Nalingo that when you are out to do something, people look at monetary aspect.
You want me to tell more than Yala. I let them go to BDTV hours, and I can get better.
To Bambe annual Zama to apart from Mr. Rashid, Moko man own business, carry on one so to order one.
Sure.
But the rest of us under superiors. Time Shaba Kanya Wutanga Kamisamaji Koli, Joanna Chamna se Katichempa. He's a teacher or Yellow Sukulu who had us were yellow. Yellow proprietor. Maria Yellow in charge of Lakaraduanli, where you know while having a chance on general organizing. At the end of the day, we are going home with nothing, virtually nothing. We are just doing this to keep. We love what we are doing.
Some care in your back.
We love whatever we are doing.
The mass some care. Because what goes on the calculations?
So two refuge conversation like tell Soba Bacha handled it. We have to beg them to also support it.
Yeah.
Because we cannot pay for their service. To go to you, they pay very much. Katia 300 cities. Katia over 40 something matches. To go to you over.
Kalemen ya Benny.
Lama refuse out. Katia over 300 cities. So let's make 300 times 43 matches. We cannot pay them.
Aye. Yeah,
times 43 matches. That's going to be 12,900 cities. Competition is about to we have to pay all these people. So even we have seek for support, but even though we are yet to get some support, and some people are actually behind us. Some have made pledges that to Wumba Damli, and we are hoping they do, because it's going to go a long way to support Nalego and make Nalego whole. Man, you took Guzan.
Oh, man, that could never support the bow.
Oh, never support her. Oh, and it is something to Iran to check out. Now, the Rusokans are find love in football. Car music, car entertainment, but Buses and Anatol Anura, football is one thing that can bring a lot of people together. It's a peaceful competition.
Mata bara was a Cabaya Runa do Iran.
Drama sports minister Kurayima program. So we're hoping to even see someone from Mamprugu. Talents man ball man. Because if he sees the talent, he will send you there.
Okay.
He was a sports minister.
But I think I invite you at least finance man.
Yes, Mr. Majid is working on that. I think he has a close relationship with him and other people. So I think along the line we'll try to put across to see if he can come and have witness. I think Onuna be Ghana ni Kachona ya sitting MP, so he can still do a lot for talent. So in ball mebu halike yati mabanyang register yo to Soria ne yapang yama nesia yabachamna.
They cover joining different teams.
Yes,
Asana bebeni
ya footballer nakati amedawan kule mbo ya asili ihol nza kanjuli. Ali na bembe na tizige nagba. Kenya footballer. Evidence belly. Think of a show working my evidence belly.
Don't want to caliber dazang in a ball to be single tongwa. How you come here say about Pasama?
In story Shagwanazi is a kind of
man as in your ball.
Come on, story. Someone's a BDTV plug to CC.
We
Karia, he has seen a recognition as an artist.
Crazy.
Come on, evidence.
Mala on you can tell so Martin Atita awards ma so that would have black.
Yes.
I say Mala show so ma then Kusa could call the Makaman. You work on Kunya ka Oseni as work Oseni my videos. Once as I come perform where can you don't see the casting. So that's all for recognition. It's very important. Mama, especially committee ma to be in awards and a meeting about organizing that particular event in the month to understand a ma. Exactly. Me say one cause put the ma. As far as one could cut man ma over meeting China. As far as one could bolo open when it seems that I can you Yabopani Yamanga. So that Patanangwa in rate ma. Is it that much is maza to pick on now? Much to contain as a chapel, you my unit to be yard lavula.
Toya Mangne, the Mark group stages. Group stage now can match smiles why.
Okay.
So group stage is my 36 matches. I decided that group stage is match smiles are the Nungala Jodica Soganza why.
You are
Kumar team, Kabena group stage come and watch and support them. But if your team is able to advance to the quarterfinals, that means your support is adding value to them. So therefore, we wish you also add value to the competition. So Kati Pioneer, maybe immediately after group stages, Going to quarterfinals, he wanna be guy. Easy support now just 2 CDs.
2 CD.
Kula 2 CDs. Kula Kokwa.
Okay.
Kikwe zina. Iba suni ya zati support tournament mala.
2 CD Kokwa.
Kula 2 CD Kokwa.
Ma?
2 CD Kokwa kia jua kata na zina Shirga Sports Complex ya. And zina support itima and cheer up. Kabajin na chengo tuni. Ipu ya ginya itima abajana Island Finals. At the end of the 6 CD kia yua. Equal and that means when your quarter find yourself and your fast succeeds in that.
All the fire over here
To see.
Come on to take them a big and you know what? We are 5 CD.
Come where he is up like
now from at least from now. No one could pull them bullets. Can we get some female?
We are not out for a monetary value. We are here to give the value back to the teams. So let's say Brian Lee, there are to Katra award first, second, third, fourth. We are out for excellence. Who may excellence? My Itanina, the Guaratella, who wants to be a loser? Tell our Tazwa came more detailed.
No.
Difference marker by Jacka. Ninja Katizan value man, so that Mombopong Mazan and Pamumanga, Ninja Tarwa.
Sure.
But Yen and Abu Bishika Azwan Yergi, or one that Pumbanyako, Nyako. So at the end of the day, so we are Pamumanga.
Sure.
But kept a lot of value on the first and second prize. In such a way that Ikupangimanga Yadila Ashaza. Immediately Captain me calculating bank that if 5 million want to lose either quite last team get to that they have more financial support than the women.
Now we are pump. Now we are
so to a mongola.
Easy. 2 CD. Rate my Uncle Halakama on the commercial concert.
30 CD.
Like, come on. And then people to have a Katinya. Oh, no.
Look at Dora concerts, ma. We are supporting the artists. Kapa you want to tell you. How artists was a time? You can sit in your room and listen to the person's music.
Now that in our jungle, you put us a being Jana, but the MCR in a program. I mean, you're not talking. Ika MC.
Is out to
No. In a park, man, I showed the Nakono who have attack and Kani, Kivon Kobe Benny, and he's a bike. I can ask these about Guari Kapu. So, see, I did not go here. Tell us, it's not cool. So, them no man, what a Katabuno showboy, showboy. And then, Zuna, a studio money, a Mala, and big madam pum. So, there's one tongue la. I'm big man society at the phone. Ibang by the young man at the phone next year. That's an assemblyman and two. I want to hear that I can tell you you know one boy who I see the man and that's what so to take like a flash of a break here. Then the Kanzan be some magic internet. Then the Katungo interactive Katipa Guai. I may enter to the Maya. But I talk about in a security personnel and then also venue man easy. I mean matches so ben me aka gamsi won wula ka ben na secure lala venue ma onyani attitude. So stay tuned. I got to take a flash of a break kalab now. Welcome back. Mazuna na po ya big man the man ya banzo studio mani. And then ego ya big man so much no man wana katibu ni Misa Majidia. And then he's part of Salah Galama, na Shirga Salah Gala committee ma. Bananko organize the program ma. Be la particular Salah Galama. And then kayanzo anja musanya kacha ini sports stadium ma ka secure in bana easy. Kacha nkumbi ka sui chebe no show around 2,500 and ko ka easy la. So see that kuna body team like introduction joke. No tell you about.
All right. Maninya Ibn Majid.
Ibn Majid.
Na Shirga Salah Gala committee.
Okay.
Acting chair.
Oh, you know could I tell man ma. I don't azirma belisa.
Yes. So
taking politics ma yari. Kacha until bayani da politics ma ya. So to go mami political party can contribute better than position can hold that.
I am Kunya na Lego Youth, Naya member.
Oh, okay.
And Naya as an association, politics baby. So Kunya Naya member.
Okay. I just want to borrow on ya. That's how I can do it in your school. Quite so. I think that teacher in showboy areas take on up on Yabasika that Salah Galama.
Yes.
Especially any objectives ma open to Abasile comes at you. But I'm more than to us about a venue ma. Because a venue ma I don't think it will be easy to secure it, but you want to do the man. So in your entity.
Concerning Vilma, a very evil leadership.
Okay.
The woman here to Apple. Cotton here to Ashama is not about me. It's not about any member of the committee.
Okay.
But it is about Nalego. It is about how we are going to promote football or sports in the region. So, the leaders, when they're in charge of ACMA, they have gotten or they have seen the need, never release a ACMA entity, even though at a cost. Even though at a cost. But Bolivia, more or less, communal labor, so, Talama, let it entertain the region and entertain the community as well.
Okay.
So explanation map funi banya hankal sha dambia organization sha so they have decided to come down to our level because looking at the registration fee and the good decision ambia competition man if you are the actual price for the turf we can pay. Because a match is supposed to cost us 300 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
So you can imagine TMR about 36 matches.
Easy now.
So it means that we wouldn't have been able to pay for the turf. But through the Lagos Youth Association leadership, opinion leaders, don't consult the Shiva. Nothing that organized the casino last year. Kabanya then need for us to continue it because this particular event we are doing is not going to Kabanya Tam Kamza.
Okay.
Maybe from time to time we'll also give other people opportunity to also do a similar organization. So this is just more or less like Tinyera Pakamala Ankoto Yane free but free.
Okay.
Go amount of sharing you can use Kama. It is considerable.
Okay. Okay. Any the thing Kama didn't Jilima yet to Amazo catch the Koyama and keep mentioning price ma. So that Libra Konya clarity ma, but you are meeting inside the one in total I mentioned the price, so can you button I and I knows I'm telling you that so just leave that side.
Yes, Manku, you'll say we are not paying the actual price.
Okay.
Because there are not so many matches. It will last for 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
The tournament man they are lasting for 3 weeks. So the one man nobody is going to pay us for doing it. Teach a lot to Madama Kaina and we are not going to send anything home. The way I hear now, this is what has left. Here's a call it in battle. The year the modern the intention to entertain the community and to make the community lively.
Okay.
And that is it.
Okay. So Jimatagati Pachana security aspect, ma'am. Is it that Banco Benema, because immigration them Beni, police them participate? Is it an opportunity man that be several letters just to make sure that Kazabazaba Beni?
Yes, concerning security, we have made enough provision because to some letter the regional police command.
Okay.
The regional police commander invited you. Captain 101 who assured that there will be enough security presence at the park. So we are assuring every team that they are well protected.
Okay. So Jimati Pending Simia, I'm really clear with Silentama. Kata any the man you either mention you them ya. A mention from so I'm willing to buy like assurance. Kata say ko beni trato to the form to back about na le go nyabo basile kuna. So some people will be like maybe a chitibana or something like that. So really clear that particular part. Yes. Everything is going to be trusted.
I think the committee that is the aspect that I emphasize every time. If you deserve to win, you must win. Irrespective of wherever you are coming from. to organize competition ma. Let's say when you palm and you turn season channel. Into my ball, and to my machine, and deserve about win. Cabo win.
Okay.
The Muniaka Manjo Nantoya Nankati among the teams. Before to constitute can constitute Latabo committee, I made sure that you are interested in it, then you shouldn't be part of us. The presence of police presence here, ka ambulance ka Red Cross.
Okay.
Just for us to be sure that if there's an emergency, they can attend to us. Okay. And serve as our relatives. So they are all going to be there.
Okay.
That competition, it's not. We are not. Never the good to never underrated.
Can't they go in your seekers?
They shouldn't underrate us. Yes, they are busy, but him by him to Samaya
easy.
So them good to be because most of us are football lovers, and then we have learned a lot about football. Hardly even about it can do, but you have
experience, man.
Experience. You have you know so okay. Hardly the bang eventually you try to find out. Even to that meet the coaches. We met coaches.
Okay.
We check about understand the rules. Artisan rules man doliba. Ka amen kana hotel review football rules. FIFA standard rules. Artisan doliba. Kaba me football. Kaba understand that this is actually what we are supposed to do. Kaban disagree with CC. Then we try to come into consensus with them. Kaba understand that yes, Boma Karatula to shift and be to understand.
Okay.
Allah Mala Anzari. So you know, people should not see somewhere and think that at the Azala could maybe ball be
commented being
organized football. It's not like that.
Okay.
So no who to homework from Kayinama. And we are going to make sure that every year there is an improvement of the previous activity. If there is no mistake, the Shakabati and no team and Katina Yanati and Gala competition no.
Okay. So Guamaya, what are some of the changes can make it from previous one to this new one?
Last year, the Draka third place team award.
Okay.
Last year, the award system that they have best player, best goalkeeper, best scorer. We won the goal king. We couldn't get them the right awards. So try to pass up nicely in the award. But this time round, award as the golden boot. That is what we're going to
do. Glove the man of
yes.
Okay.
Here, best goalkeeper. What you are supposed to have as the best goalkeeper, we are going to give it to you. Ghana Premier League, whatever award you could there as an outstanding player, you are going to get it.
Okay.
So I think difference
is a lot of improvement.
Difference benefit.
So Tibagwama, in a media houses, are you guys able to invite some of the media houses like in a sister TV stations, NTV, Sagane TV, especially Banana Kunya?
Yes. Last edition, final Tranyang Inchakanobia FM dema Tiza radio dema kabachana Nanaka live feed.
Oh, okay.
Commentary commentary it was all over. But this year we have served NTV, Sagane TV. We want them to come and cover it. Katla make sure that we are going to have match commissioners for every match.
Okay.
So that the referees not safe. Can organizers not safe. I don't need to be on the turf as the organizer. But the match commissioner will be there. Coach is someone match complacer. You are not supposed to approach the referee. Match commissioner referee won't take the decision. I don't agree with it. It wasn't true. So that there will be sanity.
Kata mostly need to go out of boom coach.
Last year, Lara, Rapushine, Shivia Hang Party, and all that. But don't put a structure system in place, ma. To make sure that if you go a young Yakinova, at least you better understand the law too. Yes. That is it. And the referees, ma, they shouldn't compromise with any decision.
Okay. Don't want the manyaba, now leave the manyaba.
But governor.
Okay.
Now leave them be Gamba them be Wall them be Utoko. I mean, North East Mandla Referees Association.
Oh, okay.
So to go from no official interval. At the Banjinam meeting. So they are coming. And then improvements were in last year, Banda officiated my Basiba to open this nomination for people to register. But I complain about the behavior system. Referees, So we decided to write officially to them that they should not be part of the competition. So let our referees be a part of the competition. So there's a lot of improvements.
Okay. I think that is cool. In a tongue of them one day, I want to so for that about 1, 2. Papa, what I nothing down that out. I'm not coaching on down coach. Don't come out and call me out, Benny.
You feel football.
That is a problem. I don't know. I don't like football. But this one, yeah, as far as development in of each region, what is I participate?
Yes.
So, time to accept from Mbolanjang Showboy Sani, but I put a body and seen them pushing the bar in a Yokomassive.
I think,
yes,
yes. I think, without acknowledging the contribution of the Legal Youth Association, Chairman S. Razak, Munyana, Akpangbamangpa.
The man first season, the man wonder present.
Yes, and this time round, first Matraka opening ceremony. This time round, we are going to have opening ceremony in a grand style.
Okay.
And to invite me officially to come and talk to the players.
So that would be great.
Talk to them, let them understand the need for us to finish the program without any bishi sometime so Mula and push up no executive tarma.
Okay.
But the cooperative permanent tarma. And secondly, TEFMA committee. I think but demonstrated that we are all na little good and then there's the need for them to also compromise a bit for us to have access to the park.
Okay.
It is very important. Then another one, machine enterprise.
Okay.
Yes, I think we saw
okay.
So far, I think 7 letters. One number one bullet.
Alaji director.
Machine enterprise. But we are still hoping that other organizations they need their support.
Okay.
Yes. So I think
okay. Ina pwana bima we improve yatla ambria. So seki puba kacha ntonti yika. Oya ma I praise is Allah series obupuma o so seki go puzu bakane yi.
Ngo mbucho bagajena so
this one okay no matter come. Okay, push up thank you very much. So Tianzonchela Showboy Sani akubazango pugon tesi. Ine ngona ngoya boss man ma ya to ma kozila opa. Umara lovena. Sina Showboy, see pacham nangwai. Is it that in Marabasile comes out? Anything concerning about a particular Salagalama, Ikuma Basi comes out when he passi, Kati Pachana ki pumpu, the Bakaja time ma to Zonzo.
To Makuma Sil and passing ya check at table swing competition.
Okay.
It is one thing that is going to bring a lot of excitement to town. As your to you from a Tofilabo season.
Okay.
And I think Tizil Lasana Katza Bebeli Pakman Zanori Paipa my Asibijami from the 4th up to somewhere around 17th. I think always you have somewhere to go to.
Sure.
So at least ya check at no what you support teams ma. Bakunya team yile ya banki dollar. Miti yiswa kila takisha ya banki dollar. Kaku dollar ha leka delta pa fana katinya tinya nsi. But I want to say that ya check at let's put Naliru on the map. These are a few things that are going to give us a recognition. Each anti last year Martina Marantunama. We got the woman that transferanya picture marker and where is that? Can I look at this cannot be Naliru? I didn't have anything to say than to prove the person.
Oh, yes, I know.
So Naliru is not a football loving community.
Yeah.
And it is clear to Zanyarka. Naliru didn't ever feel the ball.
Sure.
We don't pay much respect.
Exactly.
Exactly. Naliru to problem mala. So I want to say that let's pay attention to this particular tournament. There is a big reason why we are using Nashiriga Salah.
And there bullshit. Come kunya last question.
Yes.
Come kunya last question.
No, there's a big reason.
Okay.
The Nashiriga there is representing Naliru. Because currently Mampuru is under Nashiriga.
Sure.
So we chose Nashiriga to put it clear that we are projecting Naliru out. We are projecting the history of Mampuru. We are projecting the king of Mampuru. We are putting Mampuru on the map. We could have just said Salagala. We could have just said Wembley competition. We could have just named it anything. There are a lot of English names. But we chose a heritage everybody would hear.
First more that I thought maybe Park Madama, Don Kusukama.
Exactly.
So now okay.
No, we didn't hardly. I will even say that to do man about mini Biselang and Bolo Bakazan, Ka Ujuru Kakatu, Ujunka Kalabari, something like that. But I think it is projecting highly by Africans and Katinya Nashirga Salaga. You know that Mampurgwa, Kamapuakanya Nashua, Nalibuzia, Mamputung Bangpa, Azamaka, Bulu in Yabuluma.
Okay.
So it is loud and clear.
Okay.
So check out to Zatabosumia. It is for everybody.
Okay.
So Kanza Tinya Ima Shani party into party. Ima correction Shani correctity into correctity. Ibo Hakamala Uyira and Kawadna Villa. We are always open. We are always open. It means we are about cut a view in with from BGTV YouTube channel. Then you come across it. Then you want to support us. You can support us through this telephone number.
Number
054
54
64
035. Repeat
054
54 64
035. It's a call number be Kiza is so way and says antenna.
Momo number my you boy appear can. Our worker is either queer another side and prince. Now catch a time comes and produce a flash and that number. A man told you said Jabi in but the one.
It's not to channel Pakina Kanla.
Oh,
check a channel Bakus that to the Mama.
Okay.
That's the Jans orange in the man to you.
My yamma.
So if my was a FSUMT.
Sure.
Ikumala says the Haliqua Titlasir ball. It's so weak when I say that.
I'm looking at pure water.
Haliqua pure
reason comb.
The Bazan Sum.
Yet $100.
$100.
Okay.
I think last time you Baradala Kumusani. Most of the things bought water from her.
Okay.
So I think this year we have told them Bapami Chana she's more closer to the pitch than any other. So most people get.
Second most are carrying your $100 man. We're tagging at Kuma.
She's one of your top viewers. Always. Yes, always on you. So she's doing very well. $100 even as it comes out to Pusiri.
Okay.
And so he must shani some to competition. Haja into so to Tenya to buy a jai. Anyhow you want to help us, we are always into to take it.
Okay.
Well, let's all support and project Naliru. Let's put Naliru on the map.
Okay.
We cannot.
So you Bagama team Mazwa come in a voice match. Minimum Gamma, you couldn't want to ask about Pusaba.
Uncle Tom Progo, you are Umbo Sokanga. Oh, Uncle Be Asikanza, Boys Mas Shop, Jasako, and Team Maza, and Boys Maza, and Crew Maza, Nyamaza, Mamba Rollers, Yapumaka, and Yasan Baby TV, Kelly Kaza, shout out Sanchez. Yeah, big ups to you all for always staying by my side and making it happen. Yeah, I'm somebody who has. So
okay.
So always I give that respect to friends and I hold friendship with a high esteem. So I don't joke with that at all. So his other mass I push.
Say keep up pushing twin brother.
That was not John Buruji Golden Butwala.
Amazoba, Halama number la grojo, Nakubolan and baby for Pam. Even so, my Yuma, yes, Zinia option, Kafa, media, Kakusin, man, say thanks for Bakapura for us, Trasako inside Mala. And from that, all right.
Now, let us at the form Maternia estate. You have me estate, BCA, holiday. I mean, now there was a bear holiday, buy me a holiday, piano, holiday, holiday, a fool on the Asila, a demon on the Asila, that is how we spend holidays. In Micatamia estate, Bisala,
on a battle campaign could be the same.
I think estate to Bismarck and a holiday mound, check at an over, Tazan land to sparkers. And Zilika Sokanza, so
okay.
Miss One was I choose to get together, Lama, then we had Freddy. Yeah, this is Jesus, unless you would have
Uncle feeling by a Simoma. So you're gonna get no more Mama. Oh, all right. So, equal number so on Guazona Dabsoya, Pusapam Capia, Yanzo Kabinity Vekobenema, and Azona Kamama Prayer Maya, Missa Majid, Missa Ibn Majid, my boss man, and I don't Uncle Bella for Yemi, even though Koma, Britaka, or Tonzon Uroko Masonga, but Manko Yeto, Yana, no more Mayaka, and Pen Mundasonga, so that Salagala Makamba could be Benny and camera, Blabin for the Blanc, who are a cousin and Jinna. And then the boss man, Masoka happened me when I put a sudden love alarm. There's a ought to do Akpa, cousin Mike, Hamilton, Achimbo, TV, the love Beze, one Catabuna showboy at Yastikia, and Tonto Asatoasi, ma'am, believe the Afan, Carapamzuna. Sandan Tuma, Salagala Mayata, that's a Puyina supportee, especially sponsors, ma. Now, let's go for instance, a problem shall company. Sponsorship, you know, yeah. I'm not talking, and then people will be like, Prince, Pangli Mango, to Guari, Kunyaro, I'm Halawasi, who was a country. What was it, Kunyaro? Can't go seriously. So let's support. Come on, Banyel Maya, Guan Yurma, Nashilga, Salagala. Yada comes at a Pikuya. The Konyalang Mampugo. So let's support, and then rate mark Manabula Banaka 5 cities back. So that new Pamna Tanaya Kenya Ligro Sunga. Kajakoto Nam, no one could eat it in the Kajan, but don't hack it by the Lazuko. Now you are risking yourself. Exactly. So you not support a Sungaya, especially Halikoton sponsor. I'm a park man or Pangi Mangantana. Mangozo, fine Akamanda, Urintana. Because in a Dikumugama, Kenya Dalisum, the Masonga Cantons ready. So push up on Capia, Ikuna to Damia, so now Pokatizal to interview ma next week Saturday. Now you don't want to bet 1 year, and Maristia Marketing Channel. Wait and see. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.